This is the Excel the Go Office 2013 textbook. We are on Chapter 3 of Excel, and we're on Project 3A. And this is the second video for 3A. We're on page 441, Objective 3. And on the pie chart, we want to notice that airport represents 17%. And in the Sheet tab area at the bottom of the workbook, click the Enterprise Fund Expenditures tab to redisplay the worksheet. So here's the worksheet, and go to C5, and we're going to change that from the current value to 18,121,067 and press enter, and now it's 18%. And now if we go back and look at our total here, our total was changed, and if we go back and look at the percentages, they're changed. If we go back over here and look at our chart, the chart has changed. Now that's 18%. Let's save that. And now we're going to use goal seek to perform what-if analysis. And we want to go to the worksheet data here. And in A13, we're going to type goal to reduce waterfront expenditures percent of total expenditures. Then I want to merge and center that across A to D. So let's select from A to D, and we'll do a merge and center. And I want to apply the heading 3 style, which is this. And in cell A14 right here, I want to type goal amount. And then I want to select the range from C10 to D10. So C10 is right here, and D10 is right here. And I want to copy. I'm just going to do Control C, which I think is the easy way to do that. And then they want to point to B14 right here and do a paste. So do Control V. So I got those same two numbers. And I want to hit escape to get rid of the dancing line. And then I want to go to C14, which is right here. And the screen should look just like the one on top of page 442 now. On number 5, be sure cell C14 is the active cell, and it is. On the Data tab, in the Data Tools group, here's the Data tab, and here's the Data Tools group. And we're going to click on What If Analysis, and one of our choices in there is Goal Seek. In the Goal Seek dialog box, notice that the active cell C14 is indicated in the Set cell. So what we're trying to do here is we want to set this cell to a specific value, which is 9%, I assume. And so we're going to put 9% in here, and what we have to do is we have to change the amount right here in C10. So the next instruction is to put 9% here, and I hit enter, and that's the same as hitting the OK button. And then I want to tell it by changing box, I'm going to do B14 here instead, and click on OK. Okay, so I know why they did that. That lets us see what our goal is going to be without changing the actual number that's up there. So we're going to click on OK, and it tells us that we need to reduce expenditures to this amount in order for it to be 9% of the total. Select the range A14 to C14. That would be these 3 cells right here. And on the Home tab, display the cells, Cell Styles gallery. And what we want is under Themed Styles, we want 20% accent 1. So this will tint everything blue. Select B14, this cell right here, and go to the Cells gallery again, Cell Styles. And under number format, click Currency 0. And do a Control Home to go to cell A1, and then we want to save it. And now we're on activity 3.12 on page 443. I want to go to the Page Layout tab right here. go to the page setup group right here, and click on margins and then do custom margins at the bottom. And in the page setup dialog box, let's pull this over. On the margins tab, under center on page, do it horizontally, and he does this on just about everything. Click the header and footer tab, and this is something that he does on just about everything as well. We want to do a custom footer. We want to go to the left section. We want to insert the file name, click on OK, and click on OK. Now we're on number 5 on page 443. Display the expenditures chart. Here's the chart. And it must have its footer formatted separately. So go to the page setup group and click on the dialog box launcher and go to header and footer and go to custom footer, go to the left side, click on insert file name and click on OK and click on OK again. Now we're on number 7. We're not going to do tags, we'll skip that. On the left, click on Save. Okay, this is in Backstage View. So on the left it said click on Save, which I already did. And right-click the Expenditures Chart tab sheet, which would be this one, and do Select All. So we're going to select both of them. And then we do Print Preview. I'm not going to do Control F12 because I can never remember that one. And go to Print here. And now what we're going to see is page 1 of 2. And we're going to click on the arrow, page 2 of 2. And click Save. And we can close out of here. And that's the end of project 3A.